units of time you're learning in this rhyme. We will tell you our names and our length, that's right. Yes, units of time you're learning in this rhyme. There are 66 of us, your knowledge will burst to the sky. Before we get to the main song, we must define what is a unit of time. A unit of time is a time interval at any length, used for measurement of duration. This is something we will say. I am a Planck time, as you can see, but I have a little more complex info to me, because we must know what the Planck length is, as you do know. It's 100 quintillionth the length of a proton, as I've shown. And we need to know what the speed of light is. It is 670 million miles per hour, I tell you this. And to know my length, we must calculate how long it takes light to travel. 1 Planck length, that's my length. I am a quectosecond, unbelievably short I be. When light crosses a proton, that takes 1 trillion of me. Now I know this part will be a lot shorter than the others, but if I kept it long, this would mostly be filler. I am a rontosecond, and I finally have a fact. 300 of me, or the mean lifetime of 2 bosons, I just told you that. I am 1 octillionth of a second, that's past 100 octillion times in the song, that's a matter of fact. I am a yoctosecond, as you can see. The mean lifetime of a Higgs boson takes 156 of me. I am 1 septillionth of 1 second. Now let's move on to the next unit of time, I reckon. I am a jiffy, used officially in physics, as you can plainly see. I am the amount of time light takes to travel, 1 for me, about the size of a nucleon in a vacuum, you can see. I am a zaptosecond as I appear. I am 1 sextillionth of a second, that fact I hold dear. 1.3 of me was the smallest experimentally controlled time delay in a photon field, as you can plainly see. I am an attosecond, as you can plainly tell. 43 of me form the shortest X-ray laser pulse. I am a quintillionth of 1 second, that's a fact I claim, and I have a symbol AS to my name. I am atomic time, as I do thrive. Atomic theory of hydrogen is where I am derived. I am very obscure in case you couldn't have guessed, cause you don't know who I am, but you are still blessed. I am a femtosecond, as you can plainly see. FS is my symbol, I'm a quadrillionth of a second with glee. 290 of me is the lifetime of a tau on a very complex elementary particle. Let's move on. I am a Svedberg, in case you didn't know. I am 100 of the previous length of time second of femto. I am used to distinguish ribosomes, yes, the cell organelle. I hope you enjoyed my zone. I am a picosecond, abbreviated as PS. I am a trillionth of a second, yeah, I am the best. 1 of me is equal to the half-life of a bottom cork. Hopefully my part encourages you to buy this song on a DVD port. I am a nanosecond, this is true. 12 of me, you're the mean lifetime of a charged K-Meson, I teach you. I am a billionth of a second, this is a fact. I am glad I could discuss to you about that. I am a shake, yeah, shake those maracas. I am 10 nanoseconds, I tell ya. My name came from the idiom 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. I hope you enjoy this lesson, on my part I'll prevail. I am a microsecond, yeah, that's true. My symbol is a micro symbol, you knew. I am the length of a high-speed commercial strobe light flash. Now let's move on to the next unit of time, cause I'm not the last. I'm a millisecond, you may have heard of me. I am a thousandth of a second, obviously. A honeybee's wing flap takes 5 of me, and a flash camera takes 1 of me to illuminate the room you can see. I am a centisecond, that fact I show. I am 100th of a second, didn't you know? 1 2/3 of me are used for a frame and 60 FPS, yeah, those games. I am a jiffy and not the one you talk to though. I have used electronics, not physics, you know. I am the period of an alternating current power cycle. Yeah, that's true. I hope you enjoy this info. I am a decasecond, you would think. 1 to 4 of me are contained in one eye blink. 10 of me fit into 1 second. Speaking of that, I am a second in case you haven't guessed. When it comes to symbols, mine is S. I will now show you the length of a second. The silence was the second, I reckon. I am a decasecond, I'm 10 seconds, you probably guessed. I am used for counting down, I attest. 6 of me are used to make the next unit of time we'll discuss. It's called a minute, it is so fun. I am a minute, 60 seconds are within me. Also 6 decaseconds, obviously. I'm the time standard of UTC. There are leap seconds occasionally. The last leap second was in December 2016, but the next one will occur in June of 2026, you see. And occasionally there's a negative leap second, but this hasn't happened in 40 years, I hope you can reckon. I am mill a day, I tell you this. I am 1.44 minutes, or 86.4 seconds confirmed. This is a fact and one you have learned. I am a hectosecond, as you can plainly see. There are 100 seconds contained in me. I am also 1 minute and 2/3. My part is done, I do assure. 90 seconds in total, I'm an official moment, used by astronomers to compute astronomical movements. I was used before the introduction of the mechanical clock and the basic C system. I hope you enjoyed my part. I am a cent today, I'm 14.4 minutes or 864 seconds, my time is not infinite. I was proposed by Lagrange in the 19th century, named the centijour from the French hundred and did words with glee. I am a kilosecond, I am the rate of confinement time for anti-hydrogen in electrically neutral state, isn't that fine? 62 of me is 1 day on Uranus, 58 is 1 on Neptune, I hope you're getting all this. I am an hour abbreviated HR. I am 3600 seconds, 60 minutes, isn't that bizarre? I am also 1/24th of a day, and this is so great. I'm a day or 2.4 hours, 1/10 of a day is me, I have that power. I am called a ging in Chinese timekeeping. Now it is time to finish this part as I sing. I am a day, as you can now yet guess. The longest unit using countdowns as I attest. I am 24 hours long, this is a fact. Or 86,400 seconds, I bet you didn't know that. I am a week, I have 7 days, or 168 hours in my face, or 10,080 minutes. This fact I record, or 600,000, 4,800 seconds, I hope you're not bored. I'm a day, not a week, my days count 10. So 240 hours, that's something again. Most calendars that use me are no longer used, so that's a fact that makes me feel blue. I'm a megasecond, I am 1 million seconds. 11.6 days is around the time that I reckon. If you watched every episode of The Simpsons without sleep, it would take a megasecond, as you can see. I'm a fortnight, but I am not the game. I am a unit of time equal to 2 weeks, that's not lame. I come from the old English term 14 nights. Maybe if you use me one day, you'll finally feel bright. I'm a lunar month, I am 27 days, 4 hours and 48 minutes, this is a fact I say. I am also 29 days and 12 hours long, you know. I'm the length it takes for the moon to cycle through its phases, here we go. I am a month, there are 12 of me in the calendar year. I range from 28 to 31 days I do appear. In leap years I range from 29 to 31, because February gets an extra day, isn't that so fun? Hello there, I am Quarantine. You've probably heard my name previously. I'm 40 days and I'm made to prevent the spread of infectious disease. Yeah, that's what I said. I am a hecto-day, I'm 100 days, or a quarter of a year. That's something that I say. I originate from Chinese celebration. I hope you enjoyed my part and enjoy your nation. If it's a school year, you'll be in a semester. It's a division of the academic year, I assure. I'm 18 weeks, as you can plainly see. And I mean 6 months, literally. I'm a lunar year based on the lunar calendar. I made up 12 lunar months, this fact does reassure. You may be confused about my passion, but don't forget there's other kinds of years in action. I am exactly a year, I am 12 months, I'm 365 or 366 days, how fun, because if I'm 366 it is a leap year, when February gets an extra day as it appears. A year is the time it takes for Earth to revolve around the sun, but there will be more later information. Just remember that I will see you soon, because I passed every 365 or 66 days, it's true. I'm a common year, did you know that is a fact? I'm exactly 365 days, how about that? I am also 52 weeks and 1 day. I'm hoping you could enjoy my part in this play. I'm a tropical year, I go around, I am 365 days, but there's more to that calculation. I'm 5 hours, 48 minutes, you'll find in this nation, and also 45.216 seconds. I am a Gregorian year, you see, I have some rules attached to me. For example, every year divisible by 4 is a leap year, except for years divisible by 100 it appears. Except in turn 4 years also divisible by 400, like 2000 being a leap year but not 1800. I hope you enjoyed my part in this song. I hope you could sing along even though it was long. I'm a sidereal year, I am the time it takes for Earth to orbit around the sun in relation to other stars, how great. I am 365 days, 6 hours, 9 minutes, 9.7635456 seconds. I am a leap year, I'm 366 days, when February gets a special 29th day. I am only used every 4 years, I am glad I had a part that could appear. I'm an Olympian, this is a fact. I am 4 years, I tell you that. I'm a quadrennium, as you know. I am using reference to leap years, that fact I show. I am a lustrum, I am equal to 5 years. In early Roman times I was used an interval, it appears. If you don't know me, you are not to blame. There are 6,000 Wikipedia bytes to my name. KLT is this old, I'm a decade, I am equal to 10 years, or 3650 days. Most people in the KLT community aren't older than me. I was first used in 1475, you can see. I'm an indiction used in the Roman Empire, for taxation assessments. Do you think this song is fire? I am 15 years long, didn't you guess? I'm a unit of time, and I think I am the best. I'm a gigasecond, I am 31.7 years or 1 million seconds. That is the length that appears. If you think I'm long, then consider the other units of time. Go over a billion years in the age of the universe, yeah, that's right.